And hello there, Plamo fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is one of the latest 30 minutes fantasy. We have here the Liber Bishop. Yes, so again, I really do get a sense that the Liber is the golden child, because we have the Liber Knight, but they also release a separate kit called the Liber Holy Knight. The Liber Fighter release a Liber Warrior. Now this is actually the Liber Priest with a class up armor called the Bishop. That's why we have a Liber Bishop. So hopefully, yeah, Rosen should also have something like that. But anyways, in the box art, we see here the Liber Bishop already. So the from the Liber Silhouette to the Liber Priest, and now class of armor to the Liber Bishop is here. Very bishopy like, yeah, holy bronze guy, something like that. Off to the side, we see that it has the same silhouette as the Liber Knight, and from there, yeah, armor cross, it becomes a Liber Priest. Once you cross him up, it becomes the Liber Bishop, and of course it has a water core element, same as the Liber Knight. Off to the side, yeah, we can see what's inside the box, the contents actually, the silhouette, priest, bishop, and of course how easy it is to assemble, because it is like a 30 minutes mission. Now off to the side and opening what's inside the box. So the first thing that you see here is one bag with the class up armor, yeah. Another bag with that bronze again, yeah. And another bag, this time familiar contents of the Liber silhouette, more familiar parts, and yeah, lastly still more familiar part there. And of course, we can't forget about the instruction manual of the Liber Bishop. So again, the story is here with regards to Liber and Rosen, wherein the Liber guys would like to work with humanity, while the Rosen wants to enslave humanity, something like that. Off to the side, yeah. So this is what they released, like what I said. We had the Liber Knight, the Liber Warrior, and now they released the Liber Bishop. So same fashion as 30 minutes setup, or sorry, 30 minutes mission. Very understandable stuff like that. Now let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. So okay, first off we have the A sprue here, which is actually the same as the Liber Knight. So same colors, because same element. Feels like that's a staple already. Yes. We have the B here, again, familiar parts, same as the Liber Knight. C sprue, again, very familiar, same as the Liber Knight. D sprue here is also still the same as the Liber Knight, and I guess also with the Liber Fighter. D sprue, again, very familiar with the Liber Knight. Yeah, so you know where I'm going. So again, the E sprue, very familiar parts, same as the Liber Knight and the Liber Warrior. Same with the E2. Also, we have the F1, which again consists of the eyes here, and then the F2, which is the color, same as the Liber Knight. This is where there are new sprues and new parts again. So this is for the Liber Priest. So we have the G sprue here. There you go. So again, additional parts for the Holy Liber Priest. It also has this H1, H2, and H3 parts here again for the Liber Priest. So I guess, yeah, something like that, goes like that. And since this is a kit with the upgraded, Liber Bishop, it also has the OG5A1, which is bronze in color, and also has an A2 with, yeah, this part's the same. And of course it has a OG5B1. Right. And there you have it, Plamo fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the Liber Bishop. Again, from the 30 minutes fantasy. So Liber Silhouette to Liber Priest, and then the Liber Bishop. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, commenting, sharing the videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.